welcome to another video of the Bunkhouse Bros. Today we got Dr. Thunder Diet. A couple weeks ago we did Diet Coke and Mentos. This time we got this, and Seth is still in this video today.
What's up?
And my brother from college is back, and he's gonna be in the video today too. So let's hop right into it. Gotta open the Dr. Diet Thunder up. And
Already
then
looking fizzy.
you gotta take the Mentos. We have 4.
Go.
And we're gonna see if it's any better than the Diet Coke.
Pushing
it. Push it through.
Go, go, go.
Oh, dang, that's way better. Wow.
Yeah, that's better, definitely. Because we did I guess this time they did all insert. When we did it with the other stuff, they didn't all make it in because we tried a certain strategy. That strategy didn't work. But this time, it's much better. Okay, let's go and get more.
Nasty. You can taste the Mentos barely.
Right. All right, let's get another one.
Get all of them.
Let me have one.
Okay, there's barely any Mentos in there. We're trying a strategy to explode it. Okay, put it on. You gotta shake it up. Shake it up. Okay, you have to do it on the rocks.
Whoa! Dang it! Did I tie it too tight? I got it.
It work. Do it again. It's probably not gonna work. Oh no! Oh, it's dead.
Dang it!
It's
Hey,
dead.
did I tie the lid too tight?
I think you tightened it too tight.
Oh, that's a thing.
Stop saying that word on the video.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot this is kid friendly.
Well, we'll have to try the next one.
Here, let me try it.
No,
Okay.
Okay, so we're trying it with another one, and we're gonna throw all 4 in, and Shane's gonna hold it, and we're gonna see how it goes. So,
One at a
You better
time.
hurry.
You gotta get all 4 in.
oh,
Not bad, not bad.
Going at it again.
Oh, shoot.
Dang it! No, he didn't. Oh my gosh. No, he didn't. Oh no! Not on the good shirt! Oh my goodness! Idiot! You're an idiot. I'm the one that's an idiot. I guess we got a couple more. Oh, not the white socks. No.
The socks.
They're ready.
Okay. We got 3 left, and we're gonna all do an explosion one.
And whoever has the worst one, they're gonna get the remaining soda poured on top of their head by the rest of us. So in 3, 2, 1, do your explosion.
Okay. Gotta shake it up. Ooh, that is tight.
Oh, dang it, it was so bad.
Oh, this is tight.
No. Oh, no. This is fucking terrible. Terrible. Oh, his was the worst. Leave it. Oh my God.
His was the worst. His was the worst.
This is not fair. These are my new shorts, and that was my new shirt. I ruined it for you. You have
Well,
to
Shane
hit
lost the
like
competition, as you guys can see, because he had the worst explosion.
and he's in the Dr. Thunder graveyard.
Yep, Dr. Thunder Graveyard.
3,
So, in 3,
2,
2, you gotta enjoy all of
1.
it. 1. Oh, gross!
Oh my goodness.
No way!
We took some of the pain for you, Shane.
Oh.
I did that for you guys.
How many times did I say not to do that?
That's for you, Bunkhouse Bros
Oh my
followers. We love you guys.
Yes.
First and last video for me. I hope it was fun.
See ya.